In 2012, foreign brands ruled China's robot market. In a tiny office in Chengdu, 5 post-80s founders poured 500,000 yuan and named themselves CROBOT, China Robot Pioneer. They started with the robot controller. After 3 years of full-stacked R&D, they broke through. BYD and Foxconn came on board. By 2018, crprobot owned half of China's controller market and became the hidden champion in welding. In 2019, they made a second leap from pods to full robots and went global. That year, they sold over 1,000 units. CRP welding robots want international trust. Going global means more than exporting it, means embedding locally. In 2024, CRP opened its first overseas subsidiary in
今天非常
Malaysia.
感谢大家，不远千里、四面八方赶过来，见证这个卡拉普非常具有
Covering
历史
Southeast
性
Asia,
这个时刻
plus
的
tech
这一刻。
centers in Europe and the Americas with 24/7 support. Today, CRP is China's top welding robot exporter, serving over 40 countries. From 500,000 yuan to an IPO pursuit, they prove that Chinese smart manufacturing leads, not just replaces. CRP, Chengdu's hard-powered, seen by the world.